An immigration attorney tells me the people arrested here got a text message to come here to review their cases, but when they arrived, they were soon placed in ICE custody. A clash in the South Loop as immigration advocates and some city and state leaders tried to create a barrier around an immigration facility. Though it did not stop at least a dozen people from being hauled out of the building into waiting vans by immigration customs and enforcement agents. We've blurred the faces of those detained as we don't know whether they face any charges, but an ICE spokesperson telling our I-team in a statement, quote, "Those arrested had executable final orders of removal by an immigration judge and had not complied with that order."
Law-abiding people coming to report to do the right thing, and they come to meet the government with guns looking to separate families.
This man, who wants to be referred to as Abuelo, says he dropped off his friends, including a Guatemalan mother of 3 boys, for what he says was supposed to be a routine check on their immigration cases here at this Intensive Supervision Appearance Program, or ISAP office, a program that monitors people released from ICE custody while they await immigration court proceedings.
They go inside automatically, they took the phones and shut off the phones. And right now, we don't know where they are.
Immigration attorney Cynthia Fernandez gave us these text messages she says were sent out by ISAP last minute for people to come in to review their cases. But she says her client was oddly taken into another room.
Even though I am the immigration attorney of record, they said that I had to wait outside. I did, even though I don't believe that is correct.
Fernandez says she was later told her client was placed in ICE custody. In a letter to Homeland Security, Congresswoman Delia Ramirez of Illinois' 3rd District says these tactics by DHS, quote, circumvent the Constitution, undermine due process, and erode the rule of law. And we just got a statement in from Mayor Johnson's office condemning what they call a reckless and dangerous escalation by ICE agents. This while Chicago police were called here to the scene, but the department says they weren't aware about any ICE activity when they arrived and say they did not assist with any arrests.